So we are week 25, day 1. And this week is a shorter week. We have only Monday through Thursday. As always, our do now, we check out with our homework review, with the sheet, with the answer key, as well as with your teammates. Today's objectives, we're going to learn a new skill. Last class, we learned how to solve equations. Today, we're going to learn how to solve equations and check your own work. Check your own work is a very valuable skill because it lets you know if you're doing the problems correctly or not, without the need of someone else telling you if you did it correctly or not. You also don't even need an answer key if you know how to check your work, because when you check your work, you know if the answer is right or wrong. Language objective is I can write algebra work and check work. And then social objective, I can collaborate with my teammates to prepare for this Wednesday or Thursday's group test. As I mentioned earlier, we are halfway through the unit. For our agenda, we'll discuss homework review, take some notes, followed by the worksheet, answer the question, how much does Mr. Hall weigh? Followed by the exit ticket and planner. So homework review, as always, check in with your peers and the answer key. We'll review as a class, depending on if any problems the class wants to go over, and then revise your work accordingly and assign yourself a grade. So if you can take out your notebook. So in this diagram, we're going to translate this visual right here using algebra. And if you recall, whenever we're talking about a mystery bag, we are referring to that as x, the variable. We don't know what the amount is. So when we want to write this as an equation, we have 4 x's, because there's 4 mystery bags, plus 4 ones. So 4x plus 4. That's the left side of the balance scale. And on the right side of the balance scale, we have 2 mystery bags. So that's 2x. And we have 12 ones. So 2x plus 12. So based on this diagram, we have 4x plus 4 equals 2x plus 12 as our equation in algebra. What can we do to both sides to balance the scale, class? What can we do? Go ahead.
Subtract 2x.
So we can subtract 2 mystery bags on both sides. So we're going to do that. So underneath the 4x, right, subtract 2x, because we're combining like terms. And whatever we do to one side, the left side, we do exactly the same thing to the right side, the other side. Subtract 2x on both sides. And our new simplified equation, 4x minus 2x is 2x. We bring down the 4 that we didn't use. And 2x minus 2x is 0. We can cross that out. And we're left with positive 12. Okay. So after we took away 2 mystery bags on both sides, we're left with the equation 2x plus 4 equals 12. Can I get another volunteer? What is our next step to simplify this a little further? Okay. So right now we have 2 mystery bags and 4 ones on the left and 12 ones on the right. What can we remove from both sides? Yeah. What number? 4, yeah. So there's 4 ones that you can remove on the left, and there's 4 ones that you can remove from the right. So now we're going to subtract 4 on both sides. So subtract 4 ones, subtract 4 ones. And then our new equation, simplified equation, will be 2x, and the positive 4 and negative 4 make 0, equals to 12 minus 4 is 8. We have one more step. So we subtracted 2 mystery bags on both sides, then we subtracted 4 ones on both sides. Daisy, what do you think we do next? Divide by, say that again? Yeah, we divide by 2 on both sides. We're trying to get x alone, okay? So we're trying to get the mystery bag alone. Since there's two mystery bags, we can split the two mystery bags apart. And if we divide 2 on both sides, we get x is equal to 4. Now that we have the answer, we want to check to see if our work is correct. This is an invaluable skill, checking work, because you can apply it regardless of what level of math you're thinking about, from middle school, high school, or college. Checking your work is an invaluable skill that will carry on with you. So I'm going to write the equation one more time. Again, the original equation. 4x plus 4 equals to 2x plus 12. And class, instead of writing x, what number am I going to write? What was our answer? 4. We said 4 was our answer, right? So instead of writing x, we're going to write the number 4 instead. So let me write the equation one more time. Instead of x, I'm going to substitute and plug in 4, because that's what we believe our solution is. So 4 times 4 plus 4 equals to 2 times 4 plus 12. So 4 times 4, we get 16 plus 4. Let's use a different color. So 16 plus 4 equals to 2 times 4 is 8 plus 12. When we do 16 plus 4, we get 20. And when we do 8 plus 12, we also get 20. When you plug your answer by checking your work into the original equation, and whatever you get on the left side matches with whatever you get on the right side, that means your answer is true. Your answer is full. If they say two different things, that means your answer is incorrect. Okay? So when you check your work, you plug it into the original equation and see if the results are the same. If yes, that means the answer is correct. If not, that means the answer is incorrect. So for your worksheet, ask that you collaborate with your partner and teammates to reach each checkpoint. The checkpoints are problems 3, 5, and 7. Reminder that we have a group test this upcoming Wednesday and Thursday, so please make sure you collaborate with one another. Just so you can see, the notes that we took look exactly the same thing as the example. So if you need a reference, look at your notes or look at the example. Use the mystery bags diagram to solve each equation, show and check your work. So to show your algebra work, I translate the mystery bags diagram and then check your work to see if you have a solution. You'll notice that after the first 3 problems, there's a checkpoint. And the next set of problems, 4 through 7, is where I do not include the diagram, and I want you to translate the algebra just to the work and the check work. So I'm removing the training wheels off your bike to see if you understand how to solve each problem. For the exit ticket, please make sure you fill out the Google form. And you'll notice that the scores are 0. Once they're graded, they'll be updated. As for your planner, algebra number 7 worksheet, along with the exit ticket. And for extra credit by Excel, pick between 7S9 or 7S5. Make sure you show a screenshot of 90, full screenshot. And as always, if you want extra credit or need help after school, please see us in D101 for tutoring. Take care.